Hey friends, this is Carlton Lewis coming to you live and direct. Your Atlanta real estate agent. We are in Vinings, Georgia, and we are going to tour this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath home in just a moment. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you definitely give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment and definitely hit that notification button so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm looking forward to showing you this home with all its custom features. So let's hop right into it. Take a look at this beautiful custom 2-story home on a full basement in Vinings. The listing agent is Brent Hill with Atlanta Communities. This custom home was designed and built by Armogan Construction. It features 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths, and has a bright open floor plan, perfect for entertaining, coming in at 6,643 square feet. A one-of-a-kind executive custom home where welcoming, open 20-foot main living ceilings and designer fixtures are just the beginning. Your main level features an oversized office and spacious owner suite with a private walkout. Owner's private bath has a large shower with 2 massive rain heads and body sprays. A surplus of vanity space awaits with a lighted makeup mirror and an electric bidet toilet and pedestal soaking tub to relax a long day away. In the main area of the ceiling, book matched Neolith stone on the fireplace is matched in the kitchen range hood. Outdoor dining can be had on the deck that overlooks the heated custom pool with sun shelf and spa. This home is located in Atlanta, Georgia, in the Cobb County School District. Local schools include Teasley Elementary, Campbell Middle, and Campbell High School. I'm excited to show you this beautiful, amazing home. Let's start your tour. Hey friends, we're back. What did you think about this tour? How did you like this custom built 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath home? I really enjoyed it. I would like to hear your thoughts. Hey, remember to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment and definitely hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to keep doing these tours for you, and they can only get better. All right, we'll see you on the next video. And don't forget, my contact information is right there. All right, so if you have any questions about any home that you see on my channel or any home in Metro Atlanta, definitely make sure you contact me. All right, have a great day. Peace.